Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted subjects in your photo in Photoshop. Okay, let's go all together. Okay, so this is the pictures. There are many boats in the sea, right? Okay, so now we go to Windows, select layer. Yeah, and I duplicate layer. Okay, so now we go to spot filling brush tool, right? Spot filling brush tool. Yeah. Okay, and then we have to see the mode in here, not in normal, right? Have continuous. Okay, and then we remove. Okay, I make this one smaller. Okay, now we click unwanted object. Yes. Okay, it disappear. Okay, so we do this process, okay, until finished, right? Okay, now more. Okay, more. Okay, so that's all unwanted objects now, right? Okay, you see. Okay, this is the original pictures, and this is the picture that we already removed. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, if you want to see more video with my channel, please subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you.